I am so excited to bring you my first Scrap-A-Thon, which will begin on March 1st and will run through till March 31st, 2018. What does this mean? Well, first, it will be a self-paced class where we're going to have 31 different prompts and a page/video for each prompt. Here are some examples of some of these prompts. We're going to be using stencils on our page, using a large photo with a sketch, multiple photos, a 2-page sketch, and so much more. Then there will be a Facebook group where we are going to chat every day about the prompts/challenges. I will also schedule time for some Facebook Live time where we're going to complete a layout together. And this will happen a few times throughout the month. Upon purchase of this class, you will also receive the first 6 prep videos so we can all be ready to get our scrap on by March 1st. Then, as of March 1st, there will be a video a day uploaded to the class area, which means there will be over 35 videos. This class is $30, but until March 15, 2018, you can purchase it for $25. For more information on this class and all other classes I offer, visit NicoleJones911.com, and we'll see you in class. Now let's get our scrap on.